Hello everyone, welcome to Machine Learning Minutes, where we explore the latest and greatest in machine learning technology. In this episode, we're going to train multiple machine learning models and compare their accuracy. Training multiple machine learning models in a few lines of code can be achieved using a high-level library like scikit-learn in Python. Here is a simple example using the scikit-learn library. In this example, I'm going to use a random forest classifier, gradient boosting classifier, support vector classifier, and carnivores classifier. Also, I'm going to use the breast cancer dataset and split it into training and test sets and train each of the models. I first load the dataset into data variable and extract the features and target variables from the data. Then split the data into training and testing sets. The next is define the model as a dictionary to store each of the model's classes as a key value pairs in the dictionary. Once I define the models, I'm going to iterate through each model, train it on the training data, makes prediction on the test data, and prints accuracy of each model. I just convert the models dictionary into list of tuples and iterate through each model and gain name and model in this loop. Then train the model or feed the model to the training data and make predictions on the test data set. Once I make a prediction, I'm going to measure the accuracy of the test data set. Then the last is print the name of the model with accuracy of each model. When I run this code, it's going to print out the accuracy of each model. For example, the random forest classifier is 96, gradient boosting classifier is 95, and support vector classifier is 94, and carnivore classifier is 95. So keep in mind that this is a basic example, and you might need to customize it based on your specific use cases, such as handling hyperparameter tuning, cross-validation, or other model-specific settings. Training multiple machine learning models is a great way to improve the accuracy of your predictions on your dataset. By using a variety of different algorithms, you can capture more of the patterns in your dataset. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and write comments below.